Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Airbnb contact number. Now, please note you cannot do this from a mobile device or a mobile app. You need to have access to a computer. And once you are on your computer, click on your browser address bar and type in airbnb.com/help. That will take you to the Airbnb Help Center. And usually there they display different set of articles for you to read and resolve your problems. You can click on any of those articles. That will lead you to the details page of that article, and you don't need to read the article. Just scroll to the bottom of this page. At the bottom on the right corner you will see contact us. Click on contact us button, and then it gives you two options whether you can choose a reservation if you are having a problem with the reservation, or you can say I don't need help in the reservation. Let's choose this option, and then it gives you six options to choose from. You can choose whatever is relevant to you. Let's choose payment, refunds and more. On the next page it says what kind of payment problem you are having. We do not really need to choose any of those. Just click on it is something else, because if you choose the other option it will send you to again a repository of article for you to read and solve your problem. Just use it something else. It will give you two options to choose, chat or call us. For the purpose of this video we are going to click on call us, and there you go, it will display the local phone number. I can call in my country and speak to Airbnb. The same method will work for you whatever country you are. Try this and it will work. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.